Hi, I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great today. Today is day 20 of Dephemerember, and this challenge is hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzl. Be sure and check out their channels. I'll have them listed in my description box down below. Also, please check out the hashtag Dephemerember to see what everyone else has made. This challenge has been so much fun, and I've learned a lot. And now I just need to learn how to balance everything I've learned so that it doesn't get to be too much. But our prompt for today is grunge and snippet strip. So I've got a strip of paper. This is just offcut of what I was using to make my stencils. And it's roughly the size of my page, lengthwise. And I'm just going to layer. It's a good way to clean off your desk. I just pulled all this stuff that I just had laying around on my desk and just layer it and see what I get. And then I'll just sew a seam through the middle. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and be sure and check out everybody else. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I really love how it turned out. I was going to add more stuff to it. To be honest with you, I don't think it needs it. I have a tendency when I learn to do something new, I just keep going at it and going at it until I overdo it. But I've got just different bits and pieces I sewed. I'm sorry I couldn't show you me sewing, but I just did a zigzag stitch down the bottom. Down through the middle. And so I just added, like I said, stuff that was on my desk and added a few moths and butterflies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels and the hashtag Dephemerember. And I'm going to add this to my book, but let me make sure my splatters are dry. I'm going to use this. I did this on my fall journal where I just added it. I just had my page. There we go. Now I did this in my fall journal where I would add the snippet rolls just to the edge of the page and let it peep out, and I loved the way that looked. So it's sort of like your lace. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to run it down the length of my snippet strip. it in. And I love the way it looks against this and this. And there we go. So until next time, bye y'all.